So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in run, click on it. And then once you run this, you're just going to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. This one right here. We're going to copy this, go to the run box, and then paste it in right here. We're going to right click, paste, and then click on OK. And now this will come up. And then once you run this, you're going to click on next, wait for this to load. And if it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. And now for the next method, you're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. And now you're going to find network and internet. Click on run. And again, if it finds anything, it will try to fix it for you. And now for the next method, you're going to come back into troubleshoot settings. Now you're going to scroll down and find Bluetooth. Now you're going to click on run. And then once you run this, you're going to click on yes. And then once this comes up, click on continue. You just want to go through all of this, see if this fixes your problem. And now for the last method, you're going to head over to search and type in network reset. Click on it. And then once you run this, you're going to click on reset now, and then click on yes. It's now going to restart your computer in 5 minutes automatically, or you can just do it yourself right now, and then the problem should be fixed.